one of the things I got really choked up at one of the conferences. I went to four, five conferences on the comprehensive law movement this fall, and I did a project at my school this year on with some of the students and some other faculty that really believe in making some changes in legal education. And the students were saying that you know, well, they really wanted to see these changes happen quickly, you know. And we were laughing because some of the faculty that had worked on this project said, well, we've been trying to work on this project for like 3 years. And I got choked up and I said, I've been wanting to see some of these changes in the legal profession for like 15 years. I said, the stuff you guys are talking about now is stuff that I have thought about, conceived about, hoped for, wished for, felt like I was the only person thinking about these things for 15 years. I said, the fact that I'm not alone anymore is just incredible to me, you know. But what I wanted to say was that, you know, and I've reflected on this because, you know, over the last, I've been doing this since I became a law professor. So I'd say for the last 13 years, last 12, 13 years, I've been working, and certainly the last 10 years, I've been working on the comprehensive law movement. And some of those times, I mean, a lot of it has been traveling all over the country to various conferences and meeting people, you know, like you and other people. And it's the people in this movement that are so incredible. There is just something so special and so wonderful about the people that I've met. And the fact that you're going all around and collecting these people, some of them anyway, you know, and making them available to each other, and it's just, I mean, you know, it just makes my heart sing to think that you're doing this. And it makes my heart sing to think about all the people that I know. I mean, they're just, I count them as dear friends, even though I might see them once every couple of years, you know, because when we meet, we know that we're on the same wavelength, on the same path, and we want the same things, and that we're both working hard, not too hard, but we're working and spending our efforts towards something that we think really is meaningful, that we think is going to make a difference and leave a legacy, you know. And every once in a while I say to myself, you know, there's been some personal sacrifice, you know. There's been times that my kids have stayed with their dad or their grandfather, their grandmother, you know, while I've gone to a conference. There's been times that I've been tired and I didn't want to go to a particular event, or, you know, I thought, oh, how can I give this talk, or, you know, there's been times that, you know, and you go and you just feel so incredible after you do it, because I've met so many incredible people again, and made those connections, and met new people, and met people that said, you know, I thought I was the only one, and, you know, you've given me new hope for my profession and my career, and, you know, I mean, it's so awesome what's going on, and it's because we're all together in it, doing it all together, because there are so many of us, and we all support each other and care about each other, you know, between the conferences, between the times that we see each other, and that is just, I don't think that exists in other areas of the law. I don't believe it. I mean, I just don't, not in the way that it is in this movement. And, you know, I was a child of the 60s, and I missed out on the civil rights movement. I was a little too young for it, but I really wanted to be part of it, you know, and this is my opportunity to, you know, kind of live those times again, and feel like, you know, we're making a change for the, you know, for the better. We're making a difference, and we're doing it together as a group, and it's not just one person, it's just a whole bunch of us, you know, and it's wonderful. But, you know, I guess I just wanted to say thanks to everybody, and it's all been worth it, and it's all continues to be worth it. And I believe that that what we're doing is gonna change. It's gonna bring a change that is needed, is necessary. It's a time for me of reflection, of saying, you know, this is it's a time of sitting back and saying, wow, it's been a while. it's been a long run, and it's been good. And and I just appreciate so much all the people, and I appreciate what I think is coming, and I appreciate the folks that are gone, and I just want to say thanks.